Hey guys, this is Derek with Hoover Tractor in Mifflinburg, Pennsylvania. Here's what we got in used inventory this week. We got some four-wheelers. We have a John Deere lawnmower, Massey Ferguson tractor, another four-wheeler, nice John Deere X745, Coyote CS series, John Deere 1025, Mahindra 2015. We got a Kubota here, B series, Coyote CK series. Here we got three different cab models. We've got another CK series here. We have a Kubota L2800, another Coyote CK series, Coyote CK25 with a backhoe, Coyote CK30, CK20. We have a Farmall 504, another Kubota here. I believe that's a 2800 as well. And we have another Mahindra here.